Hey guys, how you doing? It's JK over at Slow Ride Model Cars. Figured I'd show you a couple of my group builds I got going. I got the Deserta MPC truck here, GMC. I don't think it's as good as the Revell truck with the plow. Maybe you guys can make a comment on that. I know the body is very thin plastic. But, you know, I'll make it work. It's only a shop truck. So, here's the frame. I lowered it down a little bit. Like I said in another video, I'm using this for the shop truck, and I took the tires off it for another build I'm doing. So I started doing a little weathering on it. Haven't really done much on it. That's about it. Just figured I'd update a little bit. Here's the motor for it. Didn't wire it yet. Just assembled it. Like I said, we got a while on this build, so we got time. A little update. All right. And then we have our other group build, the Pro Street build. I'm doing the T-Bird. Not gonna paint it in that color, but I'm gonna do a couple other things on it, a little old school, different. Making some progress on that one. I'll show it to you. I'll tell you one thing, I think I've heard it before on this community, people talking about this model. It's a very tedious model. A couple things, like the front spindles, they're really, nothing ties them together. So you gotta kind of glue them straight. You know, some have steerable wheels and they have the tie rod that holds it together. This one has nothing that ties one from the other, so you gotta kind of make them straight, glue them in position. Get that done. Got the rear suspension done. I didn't run any wires or hoses yet. Got the exhaust in. Coming along, wheelie bars. To tell you the truth, I think this is more of a drag car, even though they list it as a Pro Street. I don't know. It looks a little more like a drag car to me than a Pro Street car, but it says Pro Street on the box, so that's why I decided to use it. Here's the engine. Just started, not finished yet. Working on a few other things for it. One thing, maybe you guys agree, the hood scoop. It's two pieces. I had to glue it together and do some sanding and some filler. But it is a two-piece hood scoop. They could have made that one piece, but they didn't. So I made do. It'll work. All right, guys, just a quick update. Take it easy, and this is Jay. I'll see you on the bench. Bye now.